We have done traditionally a lot of meeting spaces, and we have done very large kind of distributed audio solutions throughout buildings or enterprises. What we have done here is taken our Devio product, which is a huddle space solution, has been incredibly successful here in 2018. We are really rocking and rolling with that. And then going from the inside and out, going to bigger and bigger spaces. And then with Cambridge Sound Management, we're able to take the kind of the building wide systems and bring it down into the interior, where they have some building or some room solutions as well that haven't been integrated to the rest of the solution sets. We can do that. So we can go from the inside and out and from the outside and in. We kind of meet in the middle in the sight and sound reinforcement space, the auditoria space, and have solutions that span the whole ecosystem, from the smallest of spaces to the largest of spaces. And we're by no means done either. Organically, you'll see at ISC will be an amazing show for us, as will Infocom. And now with these kind of acquisitions and integrations as well, you'll start to see the whole story play out that we kind of outlined early on.
Okay, and did you know that sound masking and acoustics was going to be the first area where you were going to be making an acquisition, or is that just it happened to be the one that finished first?
It was one of three. All of them are kind of going at the parallel paths. These things happen when they naturally happen. I'm thrilled this is the first one that they got across the goal line, and this is a natural integration with what we're doing. Now, the other acquisitions that will happen over time will also be natural integrations with both the Cambridge brand and our other brands within the Biamp portfolio.
Okay, and can you say what areas those are in, without giving away who you're negotiating with or looking to acquire?
I mean, we're trying to solve solutions. The beauty, I said early on, I typically don't talk about future plans and companies or names or products or anything else that we're doing in the future. But I said early on that we should be in the speaker business, and that this was an important piece. With Cambridge, we have shipped over 1 million speakers. So I can clearly say we're in the speaker business, and now it becomes, how do we take that kind of portfolio and move on? Now, what I want to make interesting about that is I want to be in the transducer business, right? We have microphones that are doing very well on one side, speakers on the other. I want to expand both of those portfolios with the DSPs kind of in the middle to do that. The concept there, though, is I don't necessarily want to be a speaker company. I want to be a company that delivers the best kind of speakers for the applications that we deliver to, not necessarily just have a broad range of things that you could do whatever you want with, but rather, great meeting room solution speakers, great sound masking speakers, great paging speakers, and so on, rather than having a broad portfolio. We want to do the same thing in the other categories. Audio, we already have, I think, we have a dominant position in the DSP space. We have a dominant position in audio in general. Now the question becomes, how do we move into the video space in a more dominant way as well? And so we can offer solution sets from soup to nuts that allows people to pick from Biamp as their solution of choice.